Create an adjacency list from a pandas data frame containing nodes. I have a pandas data frame containing rows of nodes that I ultimately would like to connect and turn into a graph-like object. For this, I first thought of converting this data frame to something that resembles an adjacency list, to later on easily create a graph from this. I have the following. A pandas data frame. Which looks like this. A function directly underscore follows I, j, that returns true if the node in row I is followed by the node in row j. This will later be a directed edge in a graph from node I to node j. Shortly, node I is followed by node j if the end value of node I is the same as the start value of node j and if their cases overlap. Based on this directly underscore follows function, I want to create an extra column to my data frame df which acts as an adjacency list, containing for node I a list with the id values of nodes that follow I. My desired result would thus be Basically, I thought of first creating the column adjacency underscore list as empty lists, and then looping through the rows of the data frame, and if for row I and j directly underscore follows row underscore I, row underscore j, returns true, add the id of j to the adjacency list of I. I did it like this. Now first, this returns an error. And secondly, I highly doubt this is the most Pythonic and efficient way to solve this problem, since my actual data frame consists of about 9,000 rows, which would give around 81 million comparisons. How to create the adjacency list in the least time-consuming way? Is there maybe a faster or more elegant solution than mine?
One option would be to apply the following function. It's not completely vectorized because data frames don't particularly like embedding mutable objects like lists, and I don't think you can apply set operations in a vectorized way. It does cut down the number of comparisons needed though. Or, as a big lambda function. Output
a self-join option. Output
Try. Output.